Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit of Everything with Erin. Today we'll be doing a quick tutorial with Silhouette Studio. I've had a lot of people ask me how I did the monogram letter with the name running through it in two different colors. I thought I did a video on this, but apparently I didn't. A lot of people are seeing this decal that I made in a couple of my epoxy wine glass videos, so I figured we would do that really quick. The first thing you're going to want to do is get a script or font that you want to put the larger letter in. I like to use Autumn in November. It's one of my favorite fonts. And then you will make that the size you need. And then I personally like taking the same font and writing out the whole name. But you can do whatever font you want. Because this is script, I will be welding that together. And because the dot's not connected, I'm going to group it so I don't lose it. Now you'll just need to resize that depending on how big you want it to go across the bigger letter in the back. Once you're happy where it is, you're going to move it back down to the bottom. So you're going to do an offset of that. Now, as I zoomed in, you can see that this is pretty far out from there. I don't want it that far. So I'm going to start bringing it in. And you can use the arrow key, or you can type in the number right in the bar here. So I'm pretty happy at 0.045, so I'll hit apply. And I'll go ahead and back that up. We don't necessarily need the dot, so we can just put that to the side. And I'm going to bring just that offset up into the larger B. Just find a place that I'm happy with. Then I will select the offset and the larger letter, and I will go to the modify panel, and I will hit subtract. Now I have all these bits here, so I'm going to highlight all of it and hit right click and group, so that's one piece. So I would cut this in one color, and then I would cut the second one in another color, and then I would just place, and I'll zoom in for you. I would just place the whole name right in between those gaps we made so that it stands out. So I hope that helps and answers your questions, but if you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. I do try to answer those right away. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my page. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Share it if you want to, that really helps me out. And if you hit that bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. Alright guys, until next time, happy crafting!